Okay, everybody, so here are the dried results. This area looks really dark, and it's really not that dark. There we go. With all the gold in there and the pink, I just love the details in this piece. There is so much to look at, and I love the pink serpent here. And this is just so neat. This little fan area. Looks a lot more gray than it really is, but I couldn't be more happier with the outcome. You guys have been great. I hope you have a wonderful day. And up next is the do's and don'ts with Doris Ford. See you soon. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah Mack, and today we have a very special episode with Doris Ford. Doris has challenged me with the do's and don'ts challenge, and I have accepted. What I want you guys to do after you watch this video is check out Doris's page. Her video will be linked below, and I'm really looking forward to this challenge. I'm going to go over my do's and don'ts that I gave Doris, and then I'm going to let you know what do's and don'ts Doris gave me. So this is going to be fun. So my do's and don'ts for Doris were she had to do a Dutch pour, she had to use a rectangular canvas, and she had to use at least 2 metallics. And the don'ts were that she could not use a solid base coat with her Dutch pour. She had to do at least 2 or 3 colors in her base, as well as not use any Payne's Gray. And the third don't is she could not use more than 7 colors, and that included the base coat colors that she incorporated. Now, Doris has challenged me, and her challenge for me was I had to do a funnel pour. I had to use 8 colors in total. And I also had to use at least 1 craft paint. Now, we all know I love DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold, so that is definitely the craft paint I will be using possibly in this pour. The don'ts that she gave me was that I could not use purple. I love purple, Doris. I could not drag the funnel. She wanted me to do a dancing funnel, and you'll see what that is coming up in just a moment. And then the third don't was I could not use a square canvas. Well, Doris, I think I've got you going here. So let's get down to the canvas and go from there, guys. Hi, guys. All right, so we are down on the canvas, and what I'm going to do is I have my little funnel here, and I've got my canvas propped up, and I am going to coat the canvas with a color that I mixed up. It was Prussian blue, and then I added bright aqua green to it, and then after that, I didn't like that color as much. It was a little too gray, and I added some anthraquinone blue. In the meantime, so I have this lovely, lovely blue color, and that is gonna be my negative space. And if you recall, I was not able to use any purples, and so there are no purples mixed up. I am adding a bit of water to this. I'm using my spray bottle just because I don't need a whole glop of it going in there. So let me just mix this up here, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've coated the canvas, and I want to just go over the colors I have here. This is Artist Loft Soft Bodied White Paint mixed with Floetrol. I have quinacridone Magenta. I have turquoise, dark or deep turquoise. And I have a little bit of the bright aqua green left over from a previous pour. Also the cobalt blue from a previous pour that I have left. This color is, let me see here, Iridescent Gold Deep by Golden. And this is my craft paint, which is Extreme Sheen by DecoArt in the color Peridot, and I mixed that equal parts with Floetrol and paint. All right, so we've got this little number, and I'm supposed to do a paint dance. So I've never done one of these before. I'm actually gonna move all my colors over here because I'm right-handed, and I'm gonna have to hold this with my left hand and pour with my right hand, if that makes any sense. So, all right, so I think what we're gonna do is start here, and I am going to put a little bit of a puddle there, and then I'm gonna add a smidge to the funnel. We're gonna lead in with the white, and then back it with some gold. Let's do the peridot, deep turquoise, the magenta, cobalt blue, bright aqua green. So nervous about this. I'm gonna come up high with my white and with my gold. Oh my God. All right, maybe top it off with some of the base coat. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. Now, she said I had to dance this. I like don't wanna lift it up. It's gonna be a hot mess. So let's dance it around the canvas. I'm not quite sure what I'm going for here. All right. Oh, this is so pretty. I like almost don't want to do anything else just yet. So I think I'm going to leave that. And I'm gonna give it a torch. I love the lacing that's going on here. I think I'm gonna bring this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I have never done a dancing funnel pour before, so this is definitely outside of my realm. And I'm like trying to figure out what composition I want. I want to keep the magenta, but I'm loving the peridot. I love all the detail. This area right here is outlined in gold. I just want to get that. Oh man. Oh, well, let me see. I think I'll take that area off. I love it. This is so cool. I really am excited to bring you guys in Let me just wipe my hands off so I don't drip in the middle of the canvas, because that would be awful. But this area in here is so electric and beautiful. I want to sing, "It's electric." Do, 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 do. Like, should I keep going? I don't think so, because there's a really good balance of paint on here, and we certainly don't want to bring it off in any way, shape, or form. So we are going to, I'm gonna bring you guys in just a moment, and we'll go from there. Okay, here we are, and this is just so awesome. I love this area in here. I love how the gold outlined everything in that area. But super happy with the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely gonna try the dancing funnel again. I wanna thank Doris so much for asking me to partake and challenging me. Yeah, so hopefully we'll see the dried results later this week. And that's all for now. Guys, make sure you check out Doris's channel below and her video link for the Do's and Don'ts challenge. I had lots of fun with this, and definitely challenge yourselves out there.